some of the example stuff I've shown you. Let's look at how I can use multiple representation of polar coordinates. So for any one point, there's always 4 different ways to write it. So that's what this is saying, right? The 4 different ways to write S within 360 and negative 360. So I want to first start out with this. If I count, S is 2 units away. So this distance from here to there is 2. So 2 of the answers will be 2, comma. 2 of the answers will be negative 2, comma. This is the radius on all of them. Okay. Now I need to find the theta on the others. It looks at it's 210 degrees. So the first way is just the standard, right there. It's 210 degrees. And now to find the others, 210 degrees at 210. I could also write this going down this direction, which is a negative amount. And the way to get that is you subtract 360. So, and it doesn't want me to go above 360. That's why I'm subtracting it this time. So 210 minus 360 would give me negative 150. So that's the second way of writing the angle. So we have 1, 2. Now let's find the third and fourth way. The fourth way, or third way, rather, would be to write it from negative 2. So if I go up straight across, this makes a line coming this way. If I went 2 units straight across, I would come up with 30 degrees. So I could also write this as negative 2 of 30 degrees. And to find the last one here, I would do the same thing. I would say 30 minus 360, which is the same thing as negative 330 degrees. So for any one point, there's always 4 different ways of writing it. And those are in. Let's have one for you to try. Find the different ways to write W if theta is in between negative 360 and positive 360. I'll let you pause the video and try to come up with the 4 ways. But before you go too far, I do want to point out that this is 7 units long because this time it's counting by 2s. Here's your answer to the 4 different possible ways. Now remember, to get your negative radius, you go the opposite direction. So instead of pointing at 330, we'd go across to 150.